Hello, my name is Lauren Baker, and I'm going to be teaching you how to take files off of an SD card. Start by taking your SD card and inserting it into the card reader. Take the card reader and insert it into the USB-C port on the back of the Mac. A small drive should appear on the desktop. This is your SD card. Double-click the drive to open your files. Click on the folder holding the files you would like to use. Select your media by holding Shift-click to select a group or Command-click to select individuals. Once selected, drag them to a folder outside of the SD card. This will make a copy of the files and leave the originals on the card. Next, to import into Final Cut Pro, open your library using the shortcut Command-I and select your new folder. The files should appear on the side of the viewer screen. To view this media within your project, turn on Movies, which is located in the Preferences section within Sidebar. I chose to keep my media on my desktop, but it can also be moved to Documents as well. Lastly, and most importantly, make sure to eject your SD card before removing it from your device. Removal before ejecting could result in the corruption of files. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new about how to take files off of an SD card.